EA500H9 rental LED display is widely used in various scenes such as event sites, exhibitions, etc. Its flexible and convenient installation design is an ideal choice for temporary activities and long-term use, meeting various display needs. High-precision positioning beads, fast positioning and quick installation. The handle is made of aluminum alloy, which is more durable. EA500H9 weighs only 7 kilograms and 500 grams, very light. The bottom of the LED display has an anti-collision design, which can better protect the bottom LED module. There is a test button on the back of the LED display, which can quickly test the LED display and obtain the display status. The LED display is designed with quick locks on the top and left sides to increase assembly speed and ensure the flatness of the display. EA500H9 rental LED screen adopts hub connection design, equipped with detachable power box and hub board, which improves the convenience of maintenance. Hub connection design, with detachable power box, IP65 high waterproof performance, double sealing rubber ring, quick installation buckle for easy assembly and disassembly of the back cover. The LED module is equipped with a rotating handle for easy installation and supports front and back maintenance. EA500H9 LED display is equipped with a magnet-attached LED module.